Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to center footer menus or element on your Shopify Trade theme. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you have designed your Shopify online store with Trade theme, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share everything step by step very easily so that you can do it without hiring any developer or without any coding skills. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store that I have designed with Trade theme. Now I'm going to scroll down and you can see that there is a huge gap of each widget or block section. Looks here very carefully, and we wanted to make this menu center. Okay, to do this I'm going to my Shopify admin panel. So you have to go to your Shopify admin panel, then click online store, then click on the customize. Now scroll down, footer, scroll down, and you can see that there is an option named custom CSS. So click on this icon, then scroll down again, and now simply add this code, copy and paste here. Okay, you can see that the update already display in here. So click on the save. Now go to the Shopify home page or your store home page, reload. Wow, it's working. So simple and easy. Now the question is that how you will get this code, as you don't know the code, and I already shared that you don't have to know any coding skill or you have to write any coding skill. So now the solution is that you have to check the video description. I will share the code snippet link in the video description so that you can easily copy this code and apply it on your Shopify online store. So I hope now you have got the solution, so you don't worry about the code snippet. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service, support, relevant Shopify, SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Hey everyone, my name is Nate Gallaudet. I'm the owner of Bacon Blend, and I worked with Foysal on building my Shopify store. He did excellent work. I highly recommend you working with Foysal. He will get everything you need done in a timely fashion, and he's all about speed, efficiency, and making sure he does everything correctly. Again, I highly recommend working with Foysal on all your Shopify needs, as well as WordPress. He is a master at WordPress and Shopify.